guys. Today I'll open my gifts and let's read this first. To Ashanti from Tatiay and Nonong Sam.
Okay. Oh my gosh!
I'm a baddie, so I break the rules.
Ano yan? Package?
Ay, balot ba? Maraming balot.
Give me the scissors.
Careful, careful.
Oh my god.
It looks like an uniform. Oh naman. I think it's silver. It's so big. This is a skirt.
You like it?
Yes, very much. Oh no.
It's a vest.
So this is like, you know, it's not a dress.
It's a vest. Like, you're going to, yeah, put it over. Yes, like that.
And I look like a girl.
Yes.
And then this.
Lagyan mo sa... Put it aside.
Ah, you put it aside muna. You don't know how to...
So I will
She
do
doesn't
this.
know how to fold.
I will do just like this.
Okay, next.
Next, I put it back.
Pwede nang ilalim mo yung pao.
Yeah, that one, yes. Okay.
And this
That is from?
I can read it, but it's Ashanti daw.
It's from your mama, I think.
Oo, alam mo.
Open. What is that?
Oh my god, sayang ang gift. Pinaghirapan ko kanina.
Ooh, pink. Oh, wow. That's a headband. You try it nga, the headband. Let me see.
Ito yung puso tayo mo.
Wow. Okay, girl. With a ribbon.
And this says Kid Green. I think
Kwenta tayo this.
from Tata Ayes.
Ooh.
Labubu.
Labubu. Is Labubu. What's that?
Pajama.
Pajama. Let's see the pajama.
But
Oh, it's a Labubu.
dapat yung birthday wish, ay, yung Christmas wish ko na lang ay sweater, mas maganda pa.
Okay.
Baka kasi sinabi eh. Ang init sa Pilipinas, sweater ka.
Yeah. I don't think it suits the climate in the
Video
Philippines.
kayo, Shanti, dapat limitin yan.
I wonder what's it.
Be careful.
Wala, alam niyo na. Sige na, sirahin mo na at.
Oh, what's it? What is it? What is it?
Wow.
Oh, what's that?
Electric fan.
Electric fan. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. Jeez, alive. Wow. That's nice. It's color pink.
Hindi naman yung sila.
Matches your preppy clothes.
Oh,
Wow, with flashlight. Turn up the flashlight.
You better subscribe or this will go under your bed. Okay, bye. Turn to Zoe na.
Yung ito, oh, yung green pa. Yung green one.
Yung green pa. No.
You know what is it na?
Yes.
Okay, just open it for us na lang.
No.
Yeah, open it for us.
Video ka eh.
This
Open.
is from teacher.
From?
Teacher.
Teacher?
Yes, but and what's this? From our Christmas party.
Open mo pa rin.
No,
Let's see.
It's just a paper. Stupid like ink paper.
Oh, it's a calendar.
It's a paper.
Oh, wow. Your teacher give you that?
Wow.
Oh, so nice of her. Okay. That red one.
What's yours?
It's yours na.
Ano yan?
Why?
Yeah, you said you want it, diba? Oh, open it.
Okay, open it.
IDK, what is inside here?
Sorry lang.
Oh,
What's that? Perfume?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oo naman sa says. Baka yung inaamit.
Oh.
Try mo ka.
Try mo, dali.
Ay,
Spray
meron din
it.
ako, be. I got something for you.
Piso na naman yan.
May plastic pa.
Pala, oh. Ako ng plastic lang.
Let's open.
What the
Let's
heck
call
is-
Princess.
What the heck is this? Don't you dare. Kinakain mo, Zoe.
Ay, bango. Bango, darling.
Nana, kinuha na ng nanay.
You try it. Dito sa wrist. Ayan. Okay.
Body spray.
Hindi.
Body spray.
Hindi.
Body spray
Cologne
din.
yan. Cologne siya.
Oh, bango ah.
You like it? You like the smell?
Bango ah, may kumakain ah.
Ano pala yan?
Kabango ka.
Bango.
Hmm.
Hindi mo kailangan buksan
Hindi
yan
ko
pang ano yan.
maamoy.
Namoy ko na eh. Parang soap.
And IDK, what the heck?
Wow!
Skincare.
Oh no! Let me see.
Skincare.
Exfoliating gel! Oh!
So, yaman ah.
Yaman ah!
I think you should use it on your face.
No.
I saw it on TikTok.
It's my gift for her.
Wow.
Ah! Okay.
Sa ano, darling, sa ano pa? Gamit mo.
Ha? Sulit. Gagamitin mo sa pa?
Oo, pwede din sa paa.
Ito yun, para mamuti. Magmalap, whatever.
Shanti,
Pampatanggalin ng
how is
piso.
your opening ceremony?
Nice.
Do you like the
5.10
gift, Siri?
million over 10.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Is that cutie over there?
Close it
Now,
now.
we can show, we should
Paano
show
mga
them.
vlog mo?
Magano ka na, magano ka na. Cut.
Mama, I miss you.
Shanti, close your video na muna. Thank you guys, bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.